Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Cafe Dicks Life. Thank you so much for showering with so much love in my last video. You asked for it, you get it. Here is my ultimate chocolate moist cake for you all. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more yummy delicious recipes. Make sure to leave a lovely comment, like the videos and stay connected. Please let me know what you want me to cook next. Make sure you head to the description box for the details of the ingredients. Look at that piece of cake, it was so moist and yummy. Okay, let's jump into the recipe. So here I am taking my dry ingredients first. So in a strainer I am putting my flour, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, baking soda, baking powder, all that jazz. So now I am just straining my dry ingredients with light hand. See, these are the parts we don't want in our cakes. So now I am taking all of my wet ingredients: liquid milk, oil, eggs, vanilla essence, white vinegar, and I am gonna mix it slowly. Don't over mix it. See, I am not a pro baker or anything. I am just a beginner. I have made the most amount of failed cakes in my life. I don't think anyone else have made those kind of cakes in their life ever. So now I'm learning. I have only 1 or 2 successful cakes in my life. So I have learned that vinegar is very important when you make any moist cake. So make sure you put that. So I put coffee in every dessert or every cake I make. So I am taking a little bit of instant coffee and I'm gonna dissolve it with some water and put that in my wet ingredients. I don't know, it will just enhance the flavors. It will make the cake a little bit more flavorful. I really like the texture of coffee in my cake. Make sure that the coffee is not too hot, because obviously you have put eggs in your mixture. So here again I am repeating. Here are all my dry ingredients, which is flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, white sugar, which is blended. And then in my wet ingredients there are eggs, liquid milk, white vinegar, vanilla essence, oil. Make sure to strain all of your wet ingredients before you put it in the dry mixture. See, all the imperfections are out of your way. Now just slowly mix it up. Don't overmix. Don't try to use any beater or stuff like that. A normal hand mixer will do. At this point I felt that the mixture is too thick, so I added water gradually until I get the consistency not too thick, not too thin. So my mixture is done. It is the way I wanted. Not too thick, not too thin, glossy and runny at the moment. So now is baking time. Enjoy the process. I slow cooked it in stove for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So after it cooled down a little bit, I cut my cake into half and showered it with my very own chocolate sauce. The recipe will be down in the description box below. I am here putting the upper part and then again putting a lot of chocolate syrup which I made from scratch, which was extremely delicious. You guys make sure you watch the recipe. And there it is, ready to cut. I will suggest, after you have decorated the cake and everything, then before eating you should freeze it at least for 30 to 40 minutes to taste the best.
Wow!
Hope you guys have loved the video and find it helpful. Until next time, stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.